Damn! It's so cold! Can someone turn the heat on, please? I'm freezing! It's so cold in here! Can somebody call Louis the Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can't bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room.
It's cold outside, no need to freeze. Call Louis the Boiler Man. New York Boiler and AC Repair.
Wepa!
It's Louis the Boiler Man. Wepa! Guys, I got this crazy fire coming out. If you're feeling the boiler room movement, you heard boiler room, you love boiler room, guys, I got nothing but great energy, great positive news. We got nothing but fire, 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 fire. That's right. If you're feeling the boiler room movement, that's right. You go to hashtag Louis the Boiler Man at what? 516-370-5260. You can hear this great positive news. Wepa! Wepa! Wepa!